Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with an opportunity. You don't want to miss this one. So special. This quilt behind me is called Hello Autumn, and as you can see, it is absolutely adorable. Autumn is, I think, for many people, their favorite season of the year. It just means it's the crock pot, it's those rich fall colors, and well, it's time to bring the quilts out. And who wouldn't want to be able to display this amazing quilt? And again, this is called Hello Autumn, designed by Nancy Halvorsen. She's one of my favorite, all-time favorite designers. She not only designed the fabrics called Autumn Breeze, but she designed this quilt, and look how big it is. This thing is begging for a couch and a movie night. So you have a unique opportunity to reserve this kit. We have borrowed Nancy's samples so you could see this quilt in real life and see how amazing it really is, from the pumpkins to the acorns and the ravens and of course the leaves and the undeniably adorable owls. Look how cute those eyes are. That's actually a button embellishment. So what we're doing right now is having kits created. We had to guess on a number, and I'm sure we underguessed, as we sometimes do. Today you have a chance to make a $10 deposit and reserve a kit, and this is the coordinating backing that you can reserve for just $5. And I love that. The rest of that, you're on autopilot. It's on us now to be able to prepare your kit, get it ready for shipping, bill you for the difference, and head that your way. And of course, the book. Let's talk about the book. That'll also be included in your shipment. On the back of the Autumn Breeze book, you have the Hello Autumn quilt. That's what you're seeing behind me. Inside the book, there are additional projects for you to do. So if you want to make something coordinating, be sure to pick up the Autumn Breeze yardage, and you will be able to make some really cute projects, including some wall hangings that are kind of vertical, some square ones. You could even maybe make some extra blocks and do a table runner. Here's the other thing you can look forward to in your kit. Do you see the touch of applique? You probably already know what I'm about to say, but if you're new to Shabby, maybe you don't. We love to just make your life so easy and so fun with prefused and laser cut applique. And so these letters, you will not have to get your heat and bond light and trace and cut that. That will be perfectly prefused and laser cut, and you can look forward to that being included inside your kit. These are the notions that you would use to make a mostly pieced quilt such as this. Of course, a nice suite of rulers, good thread, patchwork pins, the fresh blade and the rotary cutter, all those normal things. The seam guide to assist you with a 1/4 inch seam allowance if you need assistance like I do, and any other notions you can see are here on the table. We have 2 packs of needles only because the super nonstick size 8012 is perfect for working with pre-fused products that have heat and bond or other types of fusel webbing on the back. But we did, this type of quilt would be pieced with an 8012 needle, historically something of that caliber. But the most important thing, and we say it every time because it's true, it's get your kit, make that deposit, be sure to grab the perfect backing and any notions you might need, and take a friend with you. Being able to make these types of quilts, setting a sewing date, a quilting date where you get together to work on your pumpkin, work on your acorns, whatever that is, and be able to share the conversation. We're still making up for COVID. I keep saying that, and I think it's true. So head to the website without delay to grab your kit, your backing, and any notions you might need.